Ouch! Did you see that spark? Have you ever been zapped by a balloon? That is actually mini lightning.
But how does the sky make a zap that is 1,000,000,000 times stronger? To find out, we need to go inside the cloud.
Welcome to the Chaos Party! Up here, water droplets and ice crystals are swirling around like crazy bumper cars.
Bam! Crash! When they hit each other, they knock off tiny electrons. This friction is what creates massive static electricity. Positive charges go up, negative charges sink down. Basically, the whole cloud turns into a giant floating battery waiting to explode.
Hold on tight! Look at this! Up high where it's freezing, the cloud is full of ice crystals and water droplets. Whoa! When strong winds blow, these frozen guys crash into each other like bumper cars. See that? The crash knocks off electrons. The heavy hail steals the negative charge.
The light positive crystals float to the top. The heavy negative hailstones sink to the bottom. Now the bottom of the cloud is super negatively charged. It's getting crowded down here. Meanwhile, on the ground, everything is normally neutral. But that cloud is changing things. Negative hates negative. The cloud pushes the ground's electrons deep underground to hide. Now the ground is positively charged, and opposites attract. The ground wants to hug the cloud. But air is an insulator. It stops the electricity from flowing until the charge gets too big. The voltage is too high! The air can't stop it anymore! It's breaking down! Here comes the step leader. It doesn't fall straight down. It zigzags in steps, searching for the best path.
The ground fights back. Streamers of positive charge reach up to meet the leader. Who will win?
Uh-oh. I'm the tallest thing here. That's bad. Be eerie bad.
When they touch, the circuit is complete.
Boom! That bright flash? It's actually the return stroke rushing you P-wards at 1/3 the speed of light. That bolt heats the air to 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. The air gets so hot so fast, it explodes outward. Supersonic expansion. And that shockwave is the T-under we hear. Why do we see lightning before we hear thunder? Because light is super fast, but sound is kinda slow. Count the seconds between the flash and the bang. Divide by 5 for miles, or 3 for kilometers. Never stand under a tree or in an open field. You become the lightning rod. A car is safe. The metal frame guides electricity around you into the ground. It's a Faraday cage. So lightning is just nature trying to balance its giant battery. Beautiful, but dangerous. So remember, friction makes static, charge is separate, and BAM. Nature rebalances the energy.
Did you know? Lightning is so hot it can melt sand instantly into glass tubes called fulgurites.
Right now, lightning is striking the Earth 100 times every single second. That's 8 million times a day. But don't fly a kite in a storm like Ben Franklin. That was electrically risky.
It's much safer to learn about it on your screen, right here with me.
If you felt the spark, smash that like button faster than a return stroke. I'm gonna make my own lightning now. Just gotta charge up.
Here we go. you.
Okay, that was powerful. Science hurts sometimes.
Stay curious, friends. See ya!